Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Sharing Conflicts with Scopists and Proofreaders, I'm going to show you how to easily ensure that your scopists and proofreaders have access to your conflict selections. In order for conflicts to be selected in Eclipse, the person doing the conflict selection must have access to the dictionary entry that made the conflict. That's what tells Eclipse what options to allow each user to select each conflict from. There are a couple ways that this can be managed. The first way is by simply sending your main dictionary in its entirety to any of your scopists and proofreaders. However, if you do it that way, you do need to make sure that you send them the dictionary periodically so that they have access to all of the new conflicts that you may be adding. Another option for ensuring that your scopists and proofreaders have access to your conflict information is by going to your Translate Notes window or Alt-T, or by going to Production Translate Notes. And in this window, there's an option that says Make Edit Station Info. Right now, this is unchecked, and what I'm going to do is retranslate a conflict file so that I can show you what happens when I translate it without Make Edit Station Info checked. So I'm going to go ahead and select my conflict file and press OK. This file has already been translated, so I'm going to press Retranslate. I'll press OK past the speaker list. And my file has translated, and you see that there's a number of conflicts throughout this example. If I go to my dictionary button or press F9 and open my job dictionary, you see that the only options that have come in here are for my speaker and audio options. I'm going to go ahead and close out of the dictionary and the file again, and I'm going to retranslate the file a second time. And this time I'm going to check Make Edit Station Info. I'm going to select the file again and press OK. I'm going to retranslate the file, and I'll press OK again. And the file has translated again as it did normally. However, if I open up the job dictionary this time, you see that each conflict that I've written in this job has been added to the job dictionary. And in addition to sending the conflict itself, it's also sent the AI data information. When I send this job to my scopists and proofreaders, as long as I also include the job dictionary, they'll be able to select all of these conflicts whether or not they already had my main dictionary. Without Make Edit Station Info checked, you would have to make sure that all of your scopists and proofreaders have an up-to-date copy of your dictionary to ensure that they have the ability to choose all of your conflicts from within an ECL file. If I put my cursor on one of these conflicts, you see that it reports that it's in the main dictionary as well as the job dictionary. I'm going to switch users to another user that I've made for scoping purposes. I'm going to do Alt-U, Load Settings, and I'm going to switch to my scopist user. And you see that now in the lower right, since my main dictionary is different in this user, it only has the job dictionary entries listed. If I go open my main dictionary, you see that this dictionary is blank. Scopists don't typically need complete dictionaries, and the only dictionary entries that are truly required are conflict entries. However, even though I don't have the same main dictionary in my Scopist user as I had in the user that translated this file, since I had Make Edit Station Info checked on the Alt-T window here, these conflicts were automatically copied to the job dictionary, and as long as my scopists or proofreaders have access to the job dictionary, they'll have access to the conflicts, and they'll be able to make any conflict selections that they need to. As you can see, Make Edit Station Info is an easy to use and simple way to ensure that everyone who is helping you put your work out has the best information available. Make Edit Station Info can be an important part of working within a team and will help ensure that your scopists and proofreaders are able to turn around work even faster. I hope that this video about sharing your conflicts with your scopists and proofreaders has been helpful and will help streamline your work. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. If you enjoy our content, Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content. Thanks so much and have a great day.